Hey y'all, Real Deal here at YWiz at Akins. Got another white IndoRaptor paint scheme complete. This is getting the IndoRaptor package in totality. Okay y'all, so first time I've seen the IndoRaptor for a great customer. Since it's got the lettering on the front, I saw it beforehand. It looks incredible, but the lettering is going to take it to the next level. Let's go. Y'all, we do some bad trucks. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Let's review it. Hey guys, Neil Shepard, YWiz at Akins. It's November 17th. It's finally gotten cold here at Winder, Georgia. Your top 10 Ford dealership. That was really country sounding, I'm sorry. We're from Georgia, can't help it. We've got a beautiful F-150 IndoRaptor edition for a customer. We typically do a lot of builds here for the lot at Akins, but had a great customer come in, started to educate him on our IndoRaptor package as a whole, what all you could add to an already phenomenal vehicle, and it was a no-brainer essentially. So I'm going to show you guys an in-depth review of what all we did to a beautiful Oxford white Raptor right here at Akins. Let's go. All right guys, we've done several Oxford white IndoRaptors. My favorite is this one until probably the next one we build, but you know how that goes. But nah, this one is phenomenal, and she doesn't like to be the guy there. There's Catherine. Catherine's great to work with, y'all, from my standpoint, as far as accessories and just everything with the dealership. So if you're looking to buy a vehicle, hit her up. She'd love to help you. Very easygoing, great to work with. So much props to Catherine. And IndoRaptor, essentially the same stuff we do on all of them, fellas and ladies. We do the IndoRaptor paint scheme. We do gloss black on the grill up front. The lead foot we just finished, we did a satin matte black. I really like that one, but the gloss black on this particular one is really what sets it off in my opinion. You get away with that magnetic gray grille and you go with the gloss black. And a lot of people I see online do the skid plate in that silver, and to me it just looks out of place. So we do our skid plate gloss black to match, and this is a textured component from Ford that makes it look less luxurious and premium, so we sand that down and paint that also to really tie in, because if you don't paint that component, the front grille and bumper looks out of place because that bumper is like a gray textured finish and you've got gloss black around it. So the details matter. This Ford, here's a before picture of the grille without the lettering, and it looks nowhere near as good as adding this subtlety of just a nice white pinstripe front and rear. And we got rigid lights in the bumper up front, the LED fog kit. This one here, guys, is your SAE, which means it's street legal. So this one is an actual functional fog light. These two are your floodlight and spotlight. So these are not street legal. This one here is. So you've got more adequate lighting, it's safer and brighter at nighttime, plus you've got off-road improved visibility as well, which is what the Raptor's all about. Now the gentleman here is a great guy. He's an avid hunter, so this will see some off-road use. Probably not anything aggressive, but he'll definitely get dirty. So for those of you that are wondering, he will use it a little bit off-road. We've got the Icon level kit up front. You see that slip collar? So we do some of the ones up top, like a strut spacer, or even the eye-box spring replacement. I like this one for this level because it doesn't affect the ride quality. Still gives you your full shock travel, and this is just the best kit to go with on this particular size. So via 325/60/20 Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. Of course, you've seen us use the Ridge Grappler so much. So we've got a fuel covert wheel, 20x9 plus one on the offset. So mild to wild scale. We are, typically on this offset, guys, on a Raptor, you see me, we're sticking out 1.5 inches to 2 inches. This is more like 2.5. The reason is you got 325/60 on your metric tire size. So you're 13 inches wide instead of 12.5. So the width of the tire, given a metric tire size, is wider. Plus you're over 35 inches. You're 35.4, I believe, for the overall tire height. So you're not just a 35, 12.5. You're the metric equation is 35.4 and 13 inches wide. So this stance is a little more aggressive than a normal wheel and tire combo that most shops would run. But just look at that stance. I mean, that's where it comes from right there. That's that more muscular, more brawny, more tough look that we're going for here with our IndoRaptor package. So if you don't know, you hear IndoRaptor, and Jason McDaniel always aggravates me about bringing the IndoRaptor indoor. Well, the IndoRaptor watched Jurassic Park, the latest Jurassic Park. What's it called? The Jurassic, what's the latest Jurassic Park? So the man that does the paint for me, that's Eric. Look at him. I mean, we're just rolling these things out left and right. So that's our guy right there, Akins Paint and Body Shop. So I hadn't showed you a side shot yet, but essentially we're leveled on 35s, a little bit higher in level than 35s. But look at that. I mean, that's money right there. So we got this Icon kit. You can do a 1.5 inch and up as far as your leveled amounts. This is at 1.5 inches. So we've done some that are more aggressive on your stance at 2 inches and higher, 1.75 inches also. But this one at 1.5 inches is just money. Love the way this thing sits. It does not show any sort of higher in the front end stance at all. So if you're looking for that truly leveled look with the Icon kit, go 1.5 inches. Look at that. That is just money. 1.5 inches leveled, just perfect. Undercover, Ultra Flex on the bed cover. We got a carpet underlining, Akins liner as well. And you see we got this Roush box in the back. You may be asking what the Roush box is about. We got more power. If you didn't need more power, then something's wrong with you. So under the hood, we've got our Roush Performance Pack. Level 1 gives you cold air intake, and then a flash tuner, which we're certified to do Roush components here. So you have 57 additional horsepower. So from 450 to 507, so 507 horsepower. The biggest thing that I can notice as far as this kit, I have it on my truck, is the throttle response is improved. I have a heavy foot, so I don't see much of a fuel economy benefit, but we have some customers that say a mile and a half per gallon better with this kit. So improved throttle response, more power. It seems like it pulls harder. Truly will love this kit. I gotta show you the back still, the back tailgate, and we'll wrap this thing up. So back tailgate, of course, cladding in the rear bumper, and then that subtlety of that white pinstripe. It's just a vinyl graphic is all it is, but that really just ties in and looks nice. Customer preference, some like it, some don't. I think it looks cool, and that's got it, guys. So this one's taking delivery tomorrow. Has not seen it. He's seen a few pictures, a few teaser pictures, but I know he's gonna love it. This is exactly what he was looking for, hopefully. So I'll let you guys know what his thoughts are. Thanks so much for watching.